What's going on, everyone? It's your favorite Southwest Florida realtor, Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. I'm excited. I'm going to take you through one of my favorite places in Naples, Seed to Table. Happen to be down here running some errands, checking on a few things for a client, and whenever I am down in this area, I definitely make it a point to stop in to Seed to Table. I'm going to take you guys in, show you what they have to offer. It's a cool little place. Well, it's not little, but it's definitely a cool place. So if you are looking for something to do in the evening or afternoon or even the morning, they have a lot of breakfast, lunch, dinner, all kind of stuff. Come on in with me, check it out, let me know what you think.